Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Uphold for best practices, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the Uphold website or launching the Uphold app. Create an account if you haven't already by providing your email address and setting a strong password. Verify your email by opening the confirmation message from Uphold and clicking on the provided link. Log into your Uphold account using your verified email and password. Navigate to the security settings within your account dashboard. Enable two-factor authentication to enhance your account's security. Choose your preferred method for two-factor authentication, such as an authenticator app or SMS. Once two-factor authentication is activated, store your backup codes in a secure location. Next, go to the Identity Verification section to complete the KYC process. Submit your identification documents as required, following the prompts for various document types. After submitting your documents, monitor your email for updates on your verification status. While waiting for verification, familiarize yourself with the platform's features and functionalities. Once verified, explore the wallet options available on Uphold. Consider setting up multiple wallets for different cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies for better organization. Make sure to enable notifications for any significant account activity to stay informed. Check the fees associated with transactions and conversions to optimize your cost management. When adding funds, select your preferred method while considering the transaction fees and processing times. To convert between currencies, access the exchange feature and choose the currencies you wish to swap. Review the exchange rate before confirming the conversion to ensure it meets your expectations. Once configured, regularly monitor your portfolio for performance and rebalances as necessary. Stay informed about any updates or changes in the Uphold platform that could affect your account. Utilize Uphold support resources for any questions or issues you may encounter. Lastly, review your account settings periodically to ensure your configuration aligns with best practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.